Hi everyone, welcome to ASUS Graphics NA. I'm Jake and today we're excited to feature an unboxing of the ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4080 OC Wide Edition. From the very start, you have the quality packaging typical to ASUS products, featuring the product itself at the forefront. Below, you'll find a small little package holding some goodies, such as the thank you card and a neat little collector's card. Underneath that, you'll find the 16-pin to 3x8 pin. On the right, you'll find a handy screwdriver that also doubles as a support brace. And everyone's favorite additional prize, the championship style ring that comes with the 4080 and 4090 Wide editions. That's enough about the bonuses. Let's talk about the real treasure, the GPU itself. The first thing you're going to notice is the stunning monochrome die-cast shroud and ROG STRIX design language. Vertical mounting has become more popular, and the STRIX RTX 40 series is designed with this in mind. Not only does the shroud feature a gorgeous design with the inlaid silver ROG eye and RGB end cap, but the three Axial Tech fans have been scaled up, producing 23% improved airflow across the 3.5 slot heatsink fin array. This, coupled with the new patented vapor chamber with milled heat spreader and vented backplate, provides enhanced cooling and enables the best performance no matter the graphics card orientation or case layout. Additionally, it features two Fan Connect 2 PWM headers, allowing chassis fans to be connected directly to the card itself, which can be tuned with CPU or GPU curves. And lastly, dual BIOS provides both peace of mind and the choice of performance or quiet fan modes. The ROG STRIX GeForce RTX 4080 Wide Edition is more than just a pretty face, however. Underneath the stunning exterior, you'll find the most recent and powerful NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, making this card both beauty and beast. Utilizing 4th gen Tensor cores and 3rd gen RT cores, these cards can produce up to double the performance and efficiency of predecessors. And that's to say nothing of the new and improved features such as DLSS 3, AV1 encoding, now featured via Discord, and NVIDIA Reflex. All of this awesomeness is powered by ASUS's digital power control with high current power stages to make sure the boost clocks and frames stay high while those temps stay low. Interested in upgrading your system to the latest and greatest? You can pick yours up through our ASUS store or resellers linked in the description below.